Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm meeting my friend Joanne from Singapore, and we are visiting Pop Mart, getting the new Big Into Energy labubu, and also taking a look at her new bag, the Chanel 25, and taking some videos and pictures and just having a fun day. Enjoy, guys.
Judo backpack and the limited edition Hello Kitty Japan Expo tote bag, and of course the base.
Look who am I with? All the way from Singapore, flown in this morning, looking fresh.
Haven't slept yet.
Haven't slept yet, but looking so fresh. And look at, let me show you her new bag. Look at it. This gorgeous Chanel 25, may I? This is exquisite. Check it out. Oh, the smell of the leather Look at it. Two side pockets, like the iconic CC. The protective layer is still there because it's new, like fresh off the shelf. It packs quite a lot actually. Check out the inside. Let me show you. The table is clean, okay. See? It's quite cavernous inside. It can fit a lot actually. The color is beautiful. You can't see in this lighting. It's a very soft shade of yellow. Not like the bright, shocking yellow or the canary yellow. This is a very soft pastel yellow. Yeah, butter yellow exactly. And it's French butter, only French butter, not Singapore butter. Voila. What's your favorite?
Okay, let's get lucky. How about that?
Okay, or maybe the secret.
Yeah, where's the secret?
Not here. The secret is blue and orange, I think.
Yeah, secret. Give me your power. Secret. Okay, unboxing time.
I didn't capture your face, huh? And it's a wrap. Thank you guys for watching. Please leave your comments down below if you like the bag, and if you're thinking of getting it, please like and subscribe. And until next video, see you guys. Au revoir.